This is my Corona motor. Credits to YouTuber Rims.org for most of the info here, and we are going to be building one of these today, so let's get started. Make a notch in the center of the cap, just bigger than a ballpoint pen. Then drill a hole at the bottom of the bottle, just slightly bigger than a pen. Then drill a hole in the center of the base that you're going to use. Then hot glue a pen in position and make sure it's straight. You can make sure that it's straight by using any 90-degree angle. And there you have it, your rotor is ready. Then cut some aluminium foil just shorter than the bottle. Then stick the tin foil inside the bottle. Make sure that the foil is flush against the sides. Then cut 4 strips of wire just longer than the structure that you have just made. Then use something circular to form a base. Then bend the wire at a 90-degree angle. Then cut the excess in line with the tin foil. And make sure that the wire is perpendicular to the bottle. Then cut strips of the outer edge of a baking tray. Then cut them to lengths of the foil that's in the bottle. Then make the ends round and the outer edge cut straight. Then you can insert your wire into the outer folds. Then superglue your electrodes into position. Okay, so now that we have finished with this, I just want to explain that you need to put your tinfoil at a 30-degree angle to the jar. Okay, so now let's go onto the power supply. I'll be using an easy accessible high voltage buzz zapper, which you can get from your local hardware store. Once you got the board removed, then remove the capacitor. Okay, so I've just brazed some leads on here, just to make it easier, but you don't have to. You can just clamp your crocodile clips underneath here. So just make sure that where you see it's negative, that's actually not negative. You need to put it on that side there, otherwise it won't work. So what I've done here, I've connected 2 diagonals in neutral and then the other 2 diagonally from each other as positive. I'll be using a 9-volt battery, and so let's see how this goes. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. Wow, look at that. That is just amazing. Okay, so this is 18 volts in 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. How fast that's going. You can actually hear it hissing. That is amazing. I'm really impressed with that. I hope you enjoyed this video and are ready to make your own high voltage Corona motor. Please consider to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.